Hey everyone, welcome back to new series of Python. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to find and print the size of a tuple. So using different functions and method, we can easily find the size of a tuple. So using the getSizeof function, we can just find the size of the tuple, or we can also use an inbuilt function called sys.of method. So if you are using the getSizeof function, then we just need to ensure that we have imported the sys module, because getSizeof function belongs to the Python sys module. Now let's see how can we find and print the size of a tuple using the getSizeof function. So in order to do so, first we just need to import this module. So let's use the import keyword, and here you can just provide the sys module. So you can just say import sys. Afterwards, you can just define the tuple. So I'll be naming the tuple as tuple1, and it has got integer values. So here you can just provide the integer value 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we just need to know the size of this tuple. So always keep in mind that the size of the tuple as well as the length of the tuple is different. So when you just use the length function, that shows the number of elements inside a tuple. But when you just use or try to find the size of the tuple, then that shows the memory that is occupied for this tuple. Now, we just need to print the size of the tuple. So I'll be using the print function, and within that, you can just provide the statement that size of tuple. So you can provide like this. And now let's print this. So as we just print this, here you can see that we have just got the statement. But here we just need to get the size of this tuple. So in order to get the size of the tuple, actually we just need to get this from, or the size can be get from using the sys module. Okay, so I'll be using like sys dot, and getOf is a function that comes under this sys module. So you can set that. And afterwards, from what we just need to get a size from tuple1. So you can just define the object over here. Still, we have got the error over here. Something is missing. Here we can just use a plus operator in order to do so. Now let's run this, and here you can see that we have got an error, because here you can see that the result will be in integer, and we have provided the statement in string, and the result will be in string. So we cannot just concatenate a string as well as an integer. Now in order to manage this, we have to convert both into string. So already we have a string over here, and we just need to convert this into string. So in order to convert that, here you can again enclose this within a bracket, and here you can just provide this string so that the concatenation will be 10 over there. Now, we also need to just get bytes after this. So you can also add such a string. So before that, let me run this file. And here you can see that 72 is the size of this tuple. But I also need to just print like 72 bytes. So I'll be using again a plus operator over here. Now we can just provide the other string as size. I mean bytes, not size, bytes. So let me run this, and here you can see that the size of the tuple is currently 72 bytes. Now let's see how can we find and print the size of the tuple using the built-in function sys.of. Okay. So in order to do so, if you want to just comment this, comment that, and do. Otherwise, you may just need to provide everything one by one once you set this also. So this is the second method where we can just use the inbuilt sys.of method, find the size of the tuple. So I'll be defining the tuple as tuple2, and which has got the value as string, and let's give the value as Cybrosys. Okay, fine. Now we just need to print the size of the tuple 2. So here I'll be providing the statement, enter the size of tuple 2, and later on here we just need to find the size. So in order to get the size, first here you can see that we will be getting the size in integer, and we have provided the statement in string. So we have to do the proper concatenation. In order to do so, first we have to convert the thing that we are just going to give. So I'll be using the string constructor over here, as well as we just need to get the size from tuple 2. Now, as we are just providing the constructor, we just need to give the brackets over here, and from tuple 2, we will be getting the result. So here you can just provide the object name, which is tuple 2 dot. So dot is basically using in order to fetch the data, and here you can just go with double underscore, and size of is an inbuilt function, and here you can see we have just said that. So once the size is printed over there, we just need to print bytes followed by the size as like this. So I'll be putting a plus icon over here, and you can just provide bytes over here. Okay, well said. Now let's print this. So here something is over here, unsupported operand types for int and string. So here we have just got an error. So let's remove the string here. Now provide it here, because we have mistakenly given that. Now, here you can see, we can just find the size of the tuple as 57 bytes. So it is very easy to find and print the size of a tuple using the getsizeo function or using the inbuilt function as sys.getsizeof method. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching the video.